Hey guys, do you ever get the feeling that somebody's watching you? I always feel like somebody's watching me, watching me. Cat, you got a problem? You got a motherfucker? Why the fuck you? What? No, what? No. Fuck you. No, fuck you. No, 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 no. Fuck you, asshole. You fruitcake gypsy cocksucker. Why the fuck you looking at me all the time? You always gotta keep tabs on me. You don't trust me? Hey. You went too far with that one. You fucking fruit pie salad eating motherfucker. You eat fucking Snickers bars with a fork. Fruitcake. No. I am not a dildo juggling gigolo. Cat. Hey, don't threaten me. Hey, look at me when I'm insulting you. You too good for that? Cat, I will hit you with a bag of used socks. Dirty socks. I'll break your kneecaps off and then hit you with a bag of dirty... Hey, back up. Keep your distance. Keep your motherfucking distance. Back the fuck up. Back up. Back up. That's what I thought. You don't want your kneecaps to be broken. You get infected if I hit you with those dirty socks and your broken kneecaps. Hey, you degenerate, low-life scumbag, lint liquor, you sidewalk sleeping slut. You don't got shit to say to that one, do ya? You got shit for a comeback, do ya? Yeah, think about that one. Think about it. Think about it. Put your head down in shame. Yeah, I win this time. You cocksucking, gypsy worshipping, fruitcake eating, gerbil sniffing, butt hole licking, fag fucker. Yeah, get it. I'm just playing. I didn't mean any. Will you forgive me? You will? I just put that finger in my butthole, you stupid son of a bitch. That's why you smelled it. I wonder if she knows what I'm talking about. If I say it in a good tone. Oh, you little cocksucking gypsy. Who's a good cocksucker gypsy, devil worshipping slut? Do you think she knows what I'm saying? Are you gonna poop on my bed as I'm sleeping? You probably will. Okay. I was just on the computer and I looked over my shoulder and I see my cat looking at me, so I said, hey, let's make a Cat 7th Street video. So if you enjoyed it, please take 2 seconds out your day to leave a rating if you love small mammal verbal abuse. And, you know, just note that I just joke. This is all for comedy and stuff. Some people like, oh, why do you talk to your cat like that? Well, she talks to me. She started it. She called me a fart sniffing, stale bagel stealing out the garbage can of a bakery, eating fruit pie, enjoying dollar coffee, drinking douchebag. She started it. You eat candles for breakfast. Okay, guys, I don't know what I be thinking. Well, I don't know what I be thinking half the time when I come up with these insults. I gotta think of some new ones. Okay, comment of the day. Leave me a comment with a insult that I could say to my cat in an upcoming video. And be sure to subscribe for more cat videos if you came from the main channel, second channel, or something. More cat videos added about weekly in high definition. I think this is high definition. You 240i quality shit face cunt. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.